Did you know that you can turn off Instagram notifications without turning off the internet? I will show you how. There is a new Instagram feature, Quiet Mode, that allows you to mute Instagram notifications at night. Let's start. Open Instagram. Go to your profile. Click on 3 horizontal lines in top right corner. Choose Settings and Privacy. Now click on Notifications. Choose Quiet Mode. Turning on this option, you will mute notifications during Quiet Mode. Your status and auto replay will be updated to in Quiet Mode during the time you choose. By default, it is set from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. You can set the time you want. Support us by subscribing. See you.